In this question, first we have to integrate by parts this integral here. So when I integrate by parts, I have to choose carefully what is u and what is dv. In this case, I don't know how to integrate a ln, but I know how to derivate, so I'm going to choose that as u, because u is the one that I'm going to derivate, and then dv over dx is going to be x. That means that u, if I derivate, du by dx is going to be 1 over x. And if I integrate this expression, v is going to be integral of x dx, which is x squared divided by 2. So I have everything to substitute in the formula. Remember, when I integrate by parts, the first thing I have is uv. U is ln x, and v is x squared divided by 2. So I have x squared divided by 2 ln x, then minus integral of v, and v is x squared divided by 2 times du dx, so this one, 1 over x, and then multiply by dx, or just the x. Remember, this is in your formula booklet. So if you go to your formula booklet, here in integration, you have the formula of how to integrate by parts. Yeah. Sorry. More. Then I have to integrate this one, but this one is easy now because I can cancel this with the other one, and I have to integrate just x divided by 2. So this is equal to, I'm going just to go down, x squared divided by 2 ln x minus, and then I have x divided by 2 dx, so it's going to be x squared divided by 2 and twice, so I have 4, and plus my constant of integration. So this is the first part, this one. Now for b, they say given that y is 4 when x is 2, solve this differential equation. So that differential equation, I'm going to copy it here. We are putting the y's together and the x together. So I have this in one side, xy ln x. We are going to put together x and y's. So in my left hand side, I have dy divided by y. And in the right hand side, I have x ln x dx. And then I integrate both sides, which means my left hand side is 1 over y, so therefore is ln y, only that, ln y. Well, they say y is positive, yeah, so here x and y are positive, so if you don't want to put the absolute value bars, it's okay. This is going to be, and this integral is the one that I just did here, so I know the answer is going to be all this. So this is going to be x squared divided by 2 ln x minus x squared divided by 4 plus c. And again, I can put the bars here. I'm going to find the constant of integration with this line that they say. They say when y is 4 when x is 2. So I'm going to substitute there y and x. So ln 4 is going to be 2 squared divided by 2 ln 2 minus 2 squared divided by 4 plus c. And from here, to get that c is 1. So you have your function and your constant. And they say the next thing is, hence find the exact value of y when x is 1. So when x is 1, I have ln y is going to be x when x is 1 is x squared divided by 1. So I'm just substituting 1 here in my x. ln of x is 1 minus 1 quarters plus 1. Yeah, this is 0 because ln of 1 is 0, and then I have 1 minus 1 quarter is 3 quarters. So I have the ln y is 3 quarters, which means that y is e to the power of 3 quarters. And that's my exact value. Yeah, and they say exact value, so don't evaluate with the calculator. That's it.